This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable location sharing in the Vivaldi web browser. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Vivaldi web browser open now. To enable or disable location sharing in the Vivaldi web browser, you can't get to it through the normal settings. What you need to do is go up to your address bar up here at the top. I'm going to click inside of there and I'm going to type Chrome // settings. I'm going to hit enter. And as you can see, it's kind of confusing because you've got to type in Chrome, but as you can see, this is the Vivaldi. This is the Vivaldi settings. To enable or disable the location sharing, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then in the center pane here, you want to click on Site Settings. Now the top thing right here, Location. Sites can ask for your location. I'm going to click on that. And right up here, it's by default, your location is being shared with websites. Websites can ask for your location. But to disable it, to turn it off, you want to toggle the bottom one. Don't allow sites to see your location. The top one is enabled. The bottom one is disabled. That is how you enable and disable the location sharing on the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.